Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to use Canva to make YouTube thumbnails. Here are the steps to use Canva to make YouTube thumbnails on Windows. First is to turn on your Windows PC and open a web browser like Google Chrome, Edge browser, or Firefox. Then go to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or sign up using your Google, Facebook, or email account. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube thumbnail and press enter. Browse through Canva's YouTube thumbnail templates and select one you like, or click Create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Click on the template to open the Canva editor. On the left panel, click Uploads, Upload Files, then click on the file and hit Open to add your own images or screenshots. Drag and drop your uploaded image onto the canvas and adjust its size and position. Click Text on the sidebar, choose a font style, and add your video title or caption and resize it. Use the Elements tab to add icons, shapes, stickers, or overlays to enhance your design. And make some adjustments to the size. Then adjust colors, brightness, position, etc. using the toolbar at the top for more professional look. When finished, click the share, click download at the top right corner. Choose PNG or JPG as the file format and click download to save your YouTube thumbnail to your PC. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.